You will never find peace if you keep reacting to difficult people the way everyone else does. The sarcastic boss, the guilt-tripping friend, the passive-aggressive partner. They drain your energy because you let them. The Stoics mastered a different approach. They faced tyrants and traitors and stayed unshaken. Here are 4 Stoic principles to handle difficult people without losing your calm. Principle 1. Control your reaction. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Example: your boss snaps at you in a meeting. Most people argue back or sulk all day. A Stoic pauses, breathes, and chooses words carefully. Inner voice. Your outburst is not my identity. My calm is my weapon. Principle 2. See them clearly. Difficult people are prisoners of their own chaos, their anger, their sarcasm. It's not about you. Example: a friend keeps canceling plans last minute. Instead of taking it personally, a Stoic thinks, "This reflects them, not me." Inner voice. Your behavior is your burden. I carry only mine. If this hits you, comment Stoic right now. And for the full blueprint, watch The Stoic Guide to Handling Toxic People, link in description. Principle 3. Use the pause as power. Epictetus warned, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Example: someone sends you a nasty text. Most fire back instantly. A Stoic waits, hours if needed, then responds calmly, or not at all. Inner voice. My pause is my strength. My delay is my dominance. Principle 4. Boundaries without drama. Seneca wrote, "Associate with those who will make you better." That doesn't mean endless arguments. It means limit access, protect your time. Example: a relative keeps criticizing your life choices. Instead of debating, you reduce visits. Less drama, more peace. Inner voice. My peace is not public property. A short story: The Monk and the Stone. In the mountains of Greece, a monk carried a sacred stone. People mocked him, tried to steal it, even attacked him. But he smiled, opened his hand, and said, "This is my peace. I don't give it away." That's the Stoic path. You don't escape difficult people. You stop trading your calm for their chaos. Comment below, "I choose calm over control," and share this with someone who needs to protect their peace. Be calm, be clear, be stoic.